Welcome to Oshkosh's EAA. Please subscribe and enjoy our videos.
Hi, I'm Dennis Buzzle with the David Clark Company, and I want to introduce you to the DC-1X headset. It's our active noise canceling headset. Some of the features of the headset is that it has Bluetooth capabilities for cell phone or music input. Has auto shut off on the battery pack. Takes 2 AA batteries. Average battery life is around 50 hours. And it's very lightweight, very comfortable headset, but a quality made headset by David Clark Company, and it comes with a 5-year warranty on it. The DC-1X weighs 12.3 ounces, so it's a very lightweight, comfortable headset. The technology involved has evolved as a result of the newest technology in active noise canceling, and the price of the headset is $895.